Good afternoon, South Florida. I'm CBS 4 meteorologist Estette Gonzalez with your tropics update, and we are watching Hurricane Maria, which is still pummeling Puerto Rico. It is moving to the northwest at 12 miles per hour as a Category 4 with max sustained winds of 140 miles per hour. It is forecast to move to the north or near Hispaniola as we head into tomorrow, and Cat 4 headed towards Turks and Caicos potentially as we get into late Thursday into Friday. Will likely be a Category 3 and maybe affecting parts of the Bahamas, although right now the cone is staying to the east of the Bahamas, and then we'll have to wait and see what happens late weekend into early next week. There's a lot of uncertainty, and folks from the Carolina coast up through the mid-Atlantic northeast will have to keep an eye on Maria, at least for now. The threat is decreasing for Florida, and in fact it is looking like Maria will be taking that turn to the north and staying to our east. So Hurricane Maria made landfall earlier this morning around 6:15 a.m. as a Category 4 near Yabucoa, Puerto Rico. Rainfall anywhere from 12 to 18 inches when all is said and done, and isolated areas could see 25 inches or more of rain. A life-threatening storm surge, 6 to 9 feet possible, as well as flash floods and mudslides, not only for Puerto Rico, but Hispaniola could also see some flash floods and mudslides because of the mountainous terrain. And as we look at the computer models, again, most of the models showing that Maria will likely be staying well to the east of our state. So we are thankful for that, but of course our thoughts, our prayers are with the Caribbean islands, Virgin Islands, St. Croix, Puerto Rico, still currently under hurricane warning, as well as the northern coast of Dominican Republic under a hurricane warning, a tropical storm warning in place for the southern coast of Dominican Republic and the northeast coast of Dominican Republic. And now we also have hurricane warnings for the Turks and Caicos and the southeast Bahamas. And Jose still hanging on and hanging out here offshore near the New England coastline. It is located 150 miles south of Nantucket, Massachusetts. Max sustained winds of 70 miles per hour, moving northeast at 8 miles per hour, forecast to take a turn to the east and loop back around to the south and just kind of take a loop-de-loop here. By the end of the week into the weekend, should be weakening to a depression, but still leading to heavy rain, gusty winds, and acting kind of like a nor'easter here off the New England coast as we head into the weekend. Also rough surf and dangerous rip currents up and down the Atlantic seaboard, all due to Jose. Tropical storm warnings in place for portions of the New England coast, including Cape Cod and Martha's Vineyard. And because Jose is providing for that weakness in the steering pattern, currently that blocking Atlantic high is what's steering Maria to the northwest, but because of Jose, there will be a pathway for Maria to move northward as we head towards the end of the week. In the meantime, we'll continue to watch Jose and Maria, anything else that develops in the tropics, and we'll keep you updated right here on CBSMiami.com.